Hi, I am Sukumar. So in this class we are going to discuss 12th standard organic chemistry lesson number 11 hydroxy compounds and ethers. So from this lessons, first of all we want to know what is hydroxy compounds. So the hydroxy compounds is nothing but the compounds having the functional group OH is called hydroxy compounds. So before we are going to start the lesson, so let's discuss some introductions about the hydroxy derivatives or hydroxy compounds. So the hydroxy or hydroxyl group is an entity with the formula of OH. So it contains the oxygen is bounded or bonded with hydrogen atom. Generally in organic chemistry, so alcohols and carboxylic acid. So both compounds having OH group. For example, you can take this is general formula of alcohol or OH, then general formula for carboxylic acid or COOH. So fourth formula it have hydroxyl groups. So but in both cases, so in first case there is a OH bond, so it is a neutral. Then second case it divided into two parts, so it have negative charged anion is called hydroxide. Okay, right. Next, so in this case the neutral radical that is dot OH, it is called hydroxyl radical. We already studied in 11th standard itself. So during the hydrolysis of alkyl halides, RX plus HOH, it gives ROH plus HX. So during the alkyl halides hydrolysis, it gives alcohol. So many organic compounds contain OH group. It is play an important role in our human body. So what are the role in hydroxyl, that is OH group, play in our important role in our body means? So the first example, cholesterol alcohol. Which is commonly known as cholesterol. It is an important compound in our cell membrane. So what is the function? It is important component in cell membrane. Similarly, next one example, retina. So retina is also known as vitamin A. So vitamin A, it is a very important for our human body. So because of the vitamin A helps to improve the vision of the eye. Suppose the insufficient of vitamin A in our human body, we can affect some diseases like night blindness, xerophthalmia, then keratination of skin. So the night blindness, during the night time we cannot see anything. So xerophthalmia is nothing but the dryness of eye. Then keratination of skin is nothing but the hardening of skin. So these problems comes from the deficiency of vitamin A. Then next one, not only biochemical process, it is also in uses in industrial also. Okay, the alcohols mainly used in medicine and as well as industry. For example, industry, so methyl alcohol, I am going to take first industry. In industry, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, both are used as a solvent. solvent for some industrial process. Then ethyl alcohol also used as a additive to petrol. Additive to petrol. Then next, isopropyl alcohol, which is used in medicine. So one of the ethyl alcohol also act as a antiseptic. Then isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. So nowadays we are using day-to-day life disinfectants due to the corona. So the disinfectant contains some percentage of the alcohol contents. Either can use ethyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol they are going to prepare. So in isopropyl alcohol, which is used in skin cleanser. So during the injection. So now, alcohol is also important resource in synthetic organic chemistry. It is a very important. So because of the alcohol group can converted into different functional group. So we will discuss after the classification of alcohols. We are going to study in chemical properties. At the time I will explain all. Classification of alcohols. So the alcohol can classify based on the number of hydroxyl group. Second one, nature of carbon to which functional group OH is attached. Then alcohols are classified generally into two types. First one, monohydric alcohols, then polyhydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohol is nothing but the compound containing only one OH group attached to it. For example, ethanol, methanol and so on. Polyhydric alcohols, it contain more than one OH group. More than one OH group. So simply further we can classify the polyhydric alcohols into three types. Dihydric alcohols, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohols, then third one, hexahydric alcohols. Hexahydric alcohol. For example, dihydric alcohol, glycol, C bond C, H2OH, H2OH. Glycol, or it is also known as ethane 1,2 diol. This is the first carbon, second carbon, second carbon contains OH group. So the number of 2 carbon, ethane hyphen 1,2 diol, or it is also known as glycol. The next example of dihydric alcohol is glycerol, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. There are 3 carbon atoms. So 3, propane, 1, 2, 3 diol. It is also known as glycerol. It is an example of dihydric alcohols. So those compounds having 2 hydroxyl group present in the compound is called dihydric alcohol. Example, glycol. The compound contain 3 hydroxyl group. It is called trihydric alcohols. Hexahydric alcohol is nothing but the compounds having 6 hydroxyl group. Example, sorbitol. Example, sorbitol. Formula, CH2OH, CHOH, 4 times CH2OH, sorbitol. IUPAC name, there are 6 carbon, 4, 5, 6 carbon hexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexol because of 6 OH group is present. Hexol. Monohydric alcohols further classified into two types. It is based on the carbon atoms. So where the OH group is attached. So the hybridization of the carbon is sp3 or sp2. So the first case, the carbon is attached to sp3 hybridized, that is OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. Then next one, the OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. For example, sp2 hybridization, vinyl alcohol, CH2, double bond, CH, single bond, OH. Vinyl alcohol. Because CH2 double bond CH group is vinyl group. So vinyl, the OH alcohol. Or it is also known as ethynyl. Because this compound contains double bond, according to nomenclature, double bond compounds are called alkene, it ending with ethene. So the terminal is replaced by OL because of OH. Then the hydroxyl group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon is further classified into three types. So the first one, the OH group is attached to an alkyl group. OH group attached to alkyl group. For example, so it further classified into primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Primary example, ethyl alcohol, CH3, CH2, OH. Secondary alcohol, CH3, CH, OH, CH3. Tertiary alcohol, CH3, C, OH, CH3, CH3. We will discuss in nomenclature in next class. Then next one, the OH group is attached with allyl group. So first example, primary alcohol, CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH2, OH. So name of this compound, prop 2En1-all. Then next example, CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH, CH3, OH. But there are 4 carbon atoms present. But 3En1-all. Then tertiary, CH2, double bond CH, CH3, CH3, OH. 2-methyl, 2 but 3En2-all. Third one, the OH group is attached to benzyl group. Benzyl group. For example, benzyl group, the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So the primary alcohol group is nothing but benzyl alcohol or phenyl methanol. Methanol, C6H5, CH2OH. So phenyl, only one carbon, methane, the terminal is replaced by OL, phenyl, methanol or benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. Next example, for secondary alcohol, C6H5, CH, CH3, OH. 1 phenyl ethanol. 1 phenyl ethanol. 1 phenyl ethanol. Then example of tertiary alcohol for benzyl group, C6H5, CH3, CH3OH. So 2-phenyl propane 2-all.